students, now we will study about kinds of nouns. Okay, and today we are going to study about three kinds of nouns. They are common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. Okay, now let's start with common nouns. So read the example. The doctor treats patients in a park. There comes a rat and sat on the table. Okay. So in this example, you can see doctor, patients, park, rat and table. These are nouns, and all these nouns, they comes under common nouns. Why? Because these are the common names. Okay, these are the common names of person, place, animal or thing. For example, doctor and patients. These are the common names for persons. Okay, same way park. This is the common name for place. Rat, it is the common name for animal. And table, it is the common name for things. We are not specifying here that which doctor, which patient. Okay. More examples you can take, like we say teacher. So teacher, it can be any teacher. I am a teacher, your Hindi madam, she is a teacher. So all teacher we use for all those who teaches. Yes or no? Okay, so I am not specifying here that I am talking about which teacher. So the word teacher, it will comes under common noun. Okay, same way baby, or you can say scientist, engineer. So all the professions, all the words which are used to show the professions, they come under common nouns because they are the common names for persons. Okay, same way park, school, river, mountain, these are the common names. Here I am not specifying that I am talking about which park, I am talking about which school. All schools in which we study, all are our schools. So these are the common names of places. Okay, understood? Same way rat, dog, cat, all these are the common names for animals. And you can say table, chair, these are your common names for things. Here I am not specifying about that I am talking about which table, I am talking about which chair. So these are the common nouns. So what are common nouns? Common nouns, names common to all persons, places, animals or things. And common nouns, they always starts with small letter. Okay, you will remember this, that common nouns, they always start with small letter. So understood? Common nouns. Now we will come to proper nouns. Okay, so read the example which I have written here. Radha is a good girl. Patna is a big city. Tommy is my pet dog. So here you can see different nouns written. Yes or no? Radha and girl. This is the noun. But here Radha, this is a particular name of a girl. Yes? So Radha, it is your proper noun. Understood? And girl, it will be your common noun. Why? Because it is the common, all girls. But here I am talking about which girl? Radha. So Radha, it is the particular name for a girl. So Radha, it is your proper noun. Same way, Patna is a big city. So I am talking about which city? Patna. So Patna, it is your proper noun because it is a proper name of a city. I am specifying the city that I am talking about. Patna. Patna is a big city. Okay. Same way, Tommy is my pet dog. So here again, I have given one name. Tommy, it is the name for a dog. So Tommy, it is your proper noun. Understood? So the names which are particular or which are specific names to person, place, animals or things are known as proper nouns. And you will also remember that a proper noun, they always starts with capital letter. Okay? Proper noun, they starts with capital letter wherever they fall. It is not necessary that in the starting only they will be capital. If they are coming in between of the sentence also, then also they will be capital. Why? Because they are a particular name. They are specific names. So that is why they will be in capital letter. Okay. So understood till here what is proper noun? Yes. Now, as the name says collective, what is the meaning of collective? It means collection, all together. Okay? So same way here also, collective noun means those nouns which refers to a group or which refer to the collection. Okay? Collection of different things, different things. Okay? For example, you can see here, I saw a flock of sheep in the field. So here flock, word flock, it is showing us that there are so many or a group of sheep is there. Okay, so it is denoting one group of sheep, the word flock. So this flock word, it is your collective noun. Understood? So collective noun refers to a group. Okay, and collective noun, you can see more example of collective noun. A class of students, a crowd of people. So now we will revise what we have studied today. So once again we will read it. Common nouns, we have studied three kinds of nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. Common nouns, names which are common to all and they always start with small letter. Proper nouns, particular or specific names and they starts with capital letter. And one more thing, the names of days, months, all these will come in your proper noun. Names of book, all these are your proper noun. Okay? And last, collective noun, it refers to a group. Okay? Understood?